Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayushman Jena and I'm a professional website developer and digital marketer. In today's video, we're gonna compare WordPress and Webflow. So what are the features of WordPress and downfall of it? What are the features of Webflow and downfall of it? So I have seen many videos on internet or YouTube. So they have compared so many things and they have different option. In this video, these are my opinion. Everyone have their own opinion. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So let's start with the Webflow. So what are the benefit of Webflow? Webflow gives you the freedom to create complete customized website without the need of any coding. So drag and drop page builder lets you build and customize your pages in a way you want, or all in the same pages interface. You can easily create animation and interaction with no need to use code. Websites are SEO friendly. Make edit to your page directly on the page, so you can see exactly what your page will look like before you hit publish. Invite editor or a collaborator to add a review content on your website. Powerful hosting and minimal downtime for your visitor. SSL certificate included. So now let's get into a downfall of it. So what are the downfall of Webflow? Webflow can be a bit daunting if you have never done any website development before. In addition, Webflow is quite a bit more expensive than open source software like WordPress or WooCommerce. Nevertheless, they have an impressive video library that continue to grow. Okay, now let's get into WordPress. What are the benefits of WordPress? WordPress is free to use. You just need to pay for hosting, making it very affordable option for anyone just starting. WordPress is completely customized and you have a full control over your website and all of your data. There are thousands of extensions and plugins to choose from, so the possibilities are endless when it comes to build your website. WordPress is very easy for anyone to use with no need coding if you don't want to, meaning that even a complete beginner can have a great looking website up and running in a matter of hours. Due to WordPress popularity, there are already thousands of interactions available for WordPress. So no matter what tool you are using to run your business, chances are high that they will be work seamless with WordPress. WordPress lets you create customized website and it's mobile friendly, so it's great option for anyone who wants their website to rank well in Google. So let's get into a downfall of WordPress. With WordPress, anyone can use template and theme. But if you want a complete customized design, you need to hire a developer or a code it yourself. You are responsible for maintaining and updating your WordPress website since it is owned and managed by you, unless you have option for managed WordPress hosting. So there are the benefits and downfall of Webflow and WordPress. So these are my opinion. Many people have their own opinion. So if you're a beginner and you want to get into a website developing, so you can just start with a WordPress, because WordPress are very easy for beginner. If you want to get into a website developing, so you can start with a WordPress. After that you can switch into a Webflow. There are so many things you can do in Webflow and they are a little bit of advanced than a WordPress. So they have both benefit and both downfall. I hope you like the video. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to it. Subscribe button will be here and there are many videos will be here. So see you in the next video.